Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you my first Chanel collection experience. I bought 3 items. I bought one 19 collection flat bag. I choose a really cute pink color, and I also buy a wallet. It's a light pink wallet, and I also buy a 19 collection, the Chanel card holder. It's also a red or pink one. It's really cute. Let's unbox it. I'll first say this is my first Chanel, so I really love it. I get excited. You know, every first Chanel for a girl is a milestone. So let's just unbox it. I will open this box for you guys. It's a front page. Let's see what's in it. So there is a dust bag for my Chanel flat bag, and let me grab it out. And it's also there's a Chanel envelope for this item. Let me see. Dun, dun. Open this. See the pink, rose pink. I really love this color. It's a medium size. Medium or large size. No, it's not a large. It's a medium, and pink. I really love the color. Here's this Chanel. So for this bag, I didn't buy from the boutique because I don't have time to order one, and I'm not sure there's this color in inventory. So I bought this bag online, but it's totally new. It's not used bag, so I really feel happy to have this new Chanel 19 collection flat bag. But yeah, the price is a little bit higher than the original Chanel retail price. So it cost me like $1,000 around dollars to buy this bag immediately. Yeah, I got this fresh bag today, and I drive my car to pick it up by myself. It's really like a memory day. You know, it's the first time I got a Chanel bag in my hand immediately. And my favorite type, my favorite color, yeah, this is the exact thing I really want. So that's the reason why I just save some money next time. So. And in my city, there's no Chanel boutique, so I just choose to buy it online. I'll let you guys see. So yeah, so here's a gold metal handle for my bag, so you can just grab like this. And this is the belt. You see the chain. There is 3 types. This is a gold metal chain, and the medium, here's some leather for the shoulder part, and this is the silver metal chain. And for here it becomes to another style. If okay, so here is the silver part, and here is a gold metal part. Let's see. Open this bag to see. So we open like this way, and you will see this is oh, I really love this color. The inside is pure pink. So here's the zipper, and here's the bag cat information, and this is all it around. So the spaces here, I think it's good for me, not that small. Later we can try how many things we can put in this bag. And I will close it for now. And in the back, there is a magnet open for here. So I'll let you guys see. So yeah, so here's a gold metal handle for my bag, so you can just grab like this. And this is the belt. you see the chain, there is 3 types. This is a gold metal chain, and the medium, here's some leather for the shoulder part, and this is the silver metal chain. And for here it becomes to the another style. If the okay, so here is the silver part, and here is a gold metal part. Let's see, open this bag to see. So we open like this way, and you will see this is oh, I really love this color. The inside is pure pink. So here's the zipper, and here's the back cat information, and this is all it around. So the spaces here, I think it's good for me, not that small. Later we can try how many things we can put in this bag, and I will close it for now. And in the back, there is a magnet open for here. So really love this bag, my favorite color. Okay, it's really expensive, but I feel it worth it. The second item I wanted to show you guys is I bought a wallet from Chanel. So let's open it. I also choose a pink one. I really like the pink color. Okay. Then you see this is a Chanel box. Let's unbox it. So also there is a small bag, dust bag, also for my wallet as well. Cool, see the pink color. This is a medium size wallet. It's not that long, but it's really nice. I really like the color. You see here is a gold metal quitted, and this is the back side of the wallet. And let's open it. This is just magneted. Oops, it's pretty cool. So there is several card holders here, and there's the zippers here for my coins or something. And here is another layer, you can put something as well. So it's really cool, right? And here you can put some cash if you like. I really love this wallet. I really love this wallet. So next I'm gonna show you guys the third thing I got from Chanel. This is also my favorite collection I want to have in 19 collection. So this is a card holder, 19 series collection. It's really cool. I like the red color, and I like the gold quitted here, the logo here. And here's one layer. In the medium you can put something, and in the back it has 2 layers you can put in your card. Yeah, I really like it. So you see, so finally I just want to show you guys what size this bag can contain. So if I put my wallet, you see this is a medium size wallet, so it's definitely just a little bit half size of this pocket. So you don't need to worry, this bag is not that big. It can easily put my purse in it. So if you want to use a smaller card holder, it's just you can put 2 or 3 card holders wide here, so it's pretty spacious. This is my first time to buy the Chanel collection, and I really like the 19 series. If you also like these items, feel free to leave a comment, and thanks you guys for watching my vlog. Bye!